Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful Sunday, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and share this video with everyone. So, why this video? Back in those days when I started off, it was a real struggle to find supplies for my flower making and art. And many of y'all are messaging me asking where I buy my art supplies from. So, here I put a video together with places in South Goa where you can buy your supplies for your flower making. Disclaimer: this is not a sponsored video. The shops which I'm going to mention in this video has not paid me anything nor any sort of commission. This is my own experience to help other artists to get their art supplies. The order in which the places are mentioned isn't any sort of rank, but randomly edited together. Joanita Enterprises. If you stay in and around Cansaulim, you know this shop. This shop is basically the emergency lifesaver for me. This shop is quite convenient for me. I can hop, jump and go and buy things. Apart from stationery, they keep flower making accessories which are really useful. I get my A3, A4 size colored paper from here, which I do my paper flowers. They are customer friendly and keep quality products. They also offer other services. Sia Xerox and Stationery. You get all type of art and craft supplies here and variety of stationery. Apart from there, they offer services like Xerox, lamination, colored and black and white printout at a reasonable rate. They are very helpful and customer friendly. I've been shopping from here for quite a long time and really happy with the quality of their products. Sony Stationery World. I'm going to mention there are two shops which I have visited and are very helpful when it comes to my flower making and art. The reason why I like Sony Stationery is because of their colored paper. They have different colored paper in different sizes which are very useful when it comes to making paper flowers. They are specialized in all kind of stationery. You name it, they have it. The girls who work here are very helpful and they offer good quality products. Shop is also Sony Stationery World, but this is in Aquem and which is very useful for people who live in and around here. Mahavir Stationery. I keep going to this shop again and again because of their variety of stationery they offer. I am in love with their papers. They have different size papers which I use for making my paper flowers. The people who work here are very helpful and they offer quality products. The Wedding Day. This shop specializes in bridal and flower making accessories. If you are into bridal bouquets and other material, you can find here. Levely Lady. This is the shop which I started buying my things when I started making flowers. You get all kinds of material at the best price, beads, crystals and more. Queen's Corner. This shop is also for bridal and flower making accessories. If you are into decoration, bridal bouquets, so you can check this out. Here we come to the end of the video. All the places that are mentioned in the video, the addresses are in the description box. Hit the like button if you like this video. Comment down below which is your favorite place to shop your art supplies from. Do share and subscribe. Do follow me on Insta. The link is in the description box. Stay safe, stay happy. Thanks for watching. Mogasu.